Hi everyone, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here. Now this video has been created for anyone who would like to make a little extra each week without learning new skills and without cost. For example, I'll tell you about the $505.82 generated in 4 days and the $212.12 in 1 day with just 20 minutes work. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you know what affiliate marketing is and how it works? If you said yes, then I bet that you didn't also know this. You can now ethically and legally generate an extra income with as little as 20 minutes work per week from most digital products online. It's like affiliate marketing, only without actually promoting the offers. We don't promote the offers, we don't need to contact the owners of these products, but these products still pay us. Weird? Yes, it is, but this little known technique has existed for years. We've been using it ourselves on and off since 2019, and now everyone else can use it too. It's really easy to do, even for complete beginners. It requires no skills, no learning, and no time. Plus, there's no waiting for results. We made money the very first day that we used it. And you can do all of this for nothing. You won't even have to pay for it. For a limited time, we're giving away our complete Tigers system without charging for it. And you can start using it today. We'll give you the access details at the end of this video so you can log in. And then, step 1, follow the instructions and create your first evergreen system. We'll show you how to do this quickly. And then, step 2, pick one of the pitch systems. There are multiple pitch systems that you can use. You can use it and you can do it for free. Then, once created, the system will enable you, the user, to generate income from other people's products legally and ethically on an ongoing basis, even though you never actually promote those products. And you can use the same system to promote unlimited different products with just 5 to 20 minutes work once or twice a week. Anyone can do this because the only skills you will need are the ability to read and write English, copy, paste and type a few words. Now, could you do that? Okay, so how does the Tigers system make money? Well, the Tigers system users receive commission payments like they would if they were promoting the product, i.e. as an affiliate. Only with this unique and unusual system, we never actually promote the product. The process is seamless, requires zero selling and works remarkably well due to the unique approach and because even though this has been possible for years, very few people know about it, but you will. And Tigers system doesn't cost a cent. So would you like access without paying for it? If the answer to that is yes, then click the link below for instant access instructions. And if you like this video, please also click on the link below to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you receive notice of any time we add new content on this channel. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group. Look in the description for full details on how you can get this product without paying for it.